love from Maarlee. Oh, Paradise, the rubber. So died to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took up from the bottomless pit. But my head was made strong. By the end of the Almighty, we forward this generation triumphantly. So won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? So I ever am redemption song, redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Number yourself, keep your mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. So won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? These songs of freedom. These songs of freedom. It's me, Veroonikaa, from all the way Ethiopia.